Hello everyone. Before we start to get the right time, I would like to first introduce myself. My name is Jonathan Gargonio, but you can call me Nathan. I am your tour guide for today's video, and with me is Kim Rosas, my interviewer, who will be asking questions in regards to the right time.
Then, firstly, saan po ba makikita yung Tagaytay?
Tagaytay is one of the component cities in the province of Cavite, Philippines. It is politically divided into 34 barangays and has a total population of more than 85,330 people. To know more about this city, Tagaytay was once a pagan land. It was only discovered after Taoist eruption. Though because of its geography, it served as a perfect hiding place for the Katipuneros.
Then, saan po kilala yung Tagaytay?
Tagaytay is known for both its cuisine and tourist spots. It has a view of Taal Lake, the Taal volcano, because of its high altitude. A great place to unwind and enjoy is the Picnic Grove in Tagaytay. At Picnic Grove, you can enjoy activities like zip lining, horseback riding, sightseeing with a view of Taal volcano, picnicking, and walking along eco trails. Second is the Sky Ranch amusement park. At Sky Ranch, you can ride the Ferris wheel, enjoy various thrill rides, play arcade games, and take in scenic views of Taal volcano. And last is Paradiso Tagaytay, which is a concept zoo and theme park. At Paradiso, you can interact with farm animals, explore themed gardens, enjoy educational farm tours, and participate in agricultural activities like vegetable picking. And when we talk about Tagaytay, siyempre hindi mawala yung Bulalo, di ba? Along with their sweet treats such as pies, tarts, and other pastries. Now let me share to you 6 distinct cultural features of Tagaytay. First up is religion. Most people here are Christians, with a significant Protestant population as well. Next are values and laws. The people of Tagaytay value discipline, honesty, being God-centered, excellence, and unity. As for laws, there's Republic Act number 7160 and the City Ordinance number 97 to 93, series of 1997. Moving on to their beliefs. The locals are deeply influenced by Taal Budism. Many combine Catholic practices with indigenous rituals to honor the volcano's spiritual power. Then you have their cultural practices. During Holy Week, you'll see reenactments of the Passion of Christ along the Aguinaldo Highway, with warriors wearing masks of Roman soldiers. And of course, don't miss their festival. The Philippine Summer Festival features vibrant pineapple themed floats, with locals decorating homes and preparing pineapple dishes. With all these unique aspects, you've learned so much about the second summer capital of the Philippines. So what are you waiting for? Come and experience the beauty of Tagaytay, the city of pines in South Luzon.